Dude, this level is so cool.
It's so extensive.
Like, see, this is all frozen back here. And this clearly went further that way, but I went back there, man, and it was sketch. I could go back there again. Man, dude, I don't remember going back there, though.
We can also come back tomorrow with like fruits or something.
Oh, that's the thing. I don't really care. Should I go down there?
Attention please. Carbon monoxide gas concentration exceeded.
That.
Question answered.
Yep. Carbon monoxide warning just went off.
So we're climbing out of here?
Yep. Well, you definitely can't get around the air being bad.